Hey, this is Vipul Kumar and let me introduce you to my Python program, PyCycle. This program controls the YouTube videos based on your movement on this exercise bike. To keep watching the video, you need to keep pedaling on this bike. And if you stop, the video will also stop. Your pedaling speed also determines the playback speed of the video you are watching. It can simulate the riding experience of a bicycle and add a gamification approach such as maintaining the playback speed of online videos to engage you more during your workout sessions. It's a lot harder than you actually think. A 15 minutes of entertainment video looks short, right? But I assure you, this intensive workout will definitely burn your fat and by the end of it, you will be sweating. So today I'll tell you how I made it and how exactly it works. The whole idea is self-explanatory. A motion detection Python code monitors any change in pedal position through the laptop's webcam, and based on the rate of change of pedal's position, the code controls the playback speed of the YouTube videos in the browser. You can choose between ride mode and video mode. Ride mode gives you an option to add or play some pre-configured riding videos from all around the world. Whereas video mode gives you an option to directly play your videos at normal playback speed as long as you're working out. Thanks for watching this video and please consider subscribing. Do let me know your views on it in the comments below. Thank you. But I assure you, it's not bad. And by the end of it, I'm getting. And also you'll be getting and do let me know your comments on this in the comments below.